This morning, the death toll is still rising in Venezuela, with search and rescue crews working around the clock in a race against...
And we're also learning more than 3,300 people are injured.
There is a race against time to save survivors of the earthquakes that devastated Venezuela nearly 3 days ago. The death toll has now topped 1,400.
The local people there were screaming for God to save us.
God is in this story. God is in the details. Even in the broken parts, He holds my heart. He never fails. When I'm at my weakest, I will trust in Jesus. Always in the highs and lows, the one who goes before me. God is in this story. If it reads like addiction, if it reads like disease, He's the one who frees.
De bebé. Y ahí se pone un par de comida de para bebé.
He's broken home. He's the one who holds your sorrow. He won't leave you here alone.
¿Sabes qué puedo hacer? Panela, café, el café que dijimos, el café instantáneo.
I rise before the break of day, while the world still sleeps. I kneel and pray. Fear may come, but I'm not alone. Your strength in me makes the unknown known. You're the God who never sleeps, still at work when no one dares to dream. Your purpose is the plan, your glory is my sky. You build what's eternal and will never die. When the world turns cold and I'm all alone, you're the warmth that comforts my weary soul. With every step you're right by my side. You lift me up and show me the light. You're the guiding light that leads me home. When I stumble and I can't find my way, you're the strength that carries me through it all. You're the one who holds my hand when I need the most help.